What's up, guys? Hey. What's up, Survivor? Hi, my name is Vita. I am 22 years old. I currently live in Arizona. Beautiful, wonderful state, but I am from upstate New York, born and raised. I moved out here by myself when I was 17 years old. After finishing my first year of college, I just decided that school wasn't for me at the time and I just needed to get the heck out. So I decided that moving across the country was the best way to do that, and I've succeeded. Kind of. Anyways, I'm not very good at editing videos and doing all that cool fun stuff, so I can't make this as interesting as some that I've seen, but what I can tell you is why I'm here and how I'm going to benefit you, and hopefully after this you will understand exactly what I'm trying to portray and that it's true. So why The Survivor? I would love to be on The Survivor. One, like most people, I have been watching it since I was a kid with my grandparents. It's an amazing show. I love it. I'm very, 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 very competitive. I always have been my entire life. So in high school, I did sports all throughout growing up. In high school, I actually wrestled, and I did soccer and track. In my daily life now, I'm very competitive. I'm a salesperson. I do sales. So I'm always just looking to be, on the top. Therefore, taking that into a show that is competitive is going to be super beneficial for me. And I think I can keep up. Rewind. Yeah. I know I can keep up, okay? I know for a fact I can keep up. Aside from that, I've also been a survivor my whole life. Don't need to get into the sad, sappy details of all of that yet. If we meet in person, maybe I will elaborate. But I have been surviving life since I was a little girl, and unfortunately, those are the cards I was dealt. But they made me who I am today, so I am not mad about it. I have included some really awesome clips of some cool things that I have done. I have done a lot of stuff. I've been to Puerto Rico, I've been to Mexico, I've been to Europe, Romania, London, Italy, Amsterdam. I've obviously been to multiple states in the US. I've lived in California as well. I've done a lot of cool things. Have included a couple videos that I'm going to show you. I don't know which way they go, but I'm going to show you them now. Hawaii was super fun. As you can see here, I went scuba diving, I went snorkeling, I took scooters all across the island, did a bunch of cool, awesome stuffs. Just some typical tourist stuff with this trip, which was totally okay with me. So beautiful. Yes, the slip and fly in Tijuana, Mexico. This was an amazing day. That's why I wanted to include it, because this was so exhilarating to go down this slide that's basically illegal and just slosh into this pool water. We ended up doing this at least probably 65 times that day each. It was so much fun. As you can see here, I'm stoked. Wasn't too nervous. It was pretty badass, gotta say. Oh, and if you want to see what my pain face looks like, here it is. And here we have me in Puerto Rico. I went here by myself 2 months ago. Self-trip entirely, met awesome people, didn't do too many touristy things except for this amazing zip line, met a lot of friends. It was amazing. Yeah. God, I can't even explain how amazing this trip was. Wow. So, why should you pick me for the Survivor, may you ask? The real question is, why shouldn't you? I have to start conversations with anybody, which can be really beneficial on the show. I'm really good at making friends, and I also, when needed, can manipulate. Tactic. You learn it. A lot of people learn it when they're raising themselves and stuff, It's something that you just gotta do. So I got that on deck. I got friendships, I got manipulation, I got competitiveness, I got a lot of stuff up in this little head of mine that I could portray. So the question is, why shouldn't you put me on the show? Not why should I be there, why shouldn't you put me on there? If you're still hesitant after this video, well then just give me a chance and meet me in person. And if you're not hesitant and you're ready to go, I guess we are in the right place together. Thank you, Survivor, and I will be seeing you very, very soon. Stay safe from this coronavirus stuff, and once it's all wiped away, let's get it going.